What's up, everybody? My name is Umair, owner of KPK Auto Detailing out of Rhode Island. Welcome to our first ever YouTube video, and I'm so excited to be finally uploading content on here. In this video, we will be going over the interior cleaning we performed on this Camry. This detail was done about 6 months ago at our previous shop in Warwick, and we have relocated to North Providence now. So the main focus of this video is the interior. I did an undercarriage wash and a wash and wax as well. I wasn't able to get any of the footage from the outside detail. As you can see right there, the trunk is filthy, and we took care of that right away. The client did warn us, and we did charge extra for the trunk. Before the cleaning of any plastics or seats, we take out the floor mats. Those got pressure washed and scrubbed with an all-purpose cleaner. We use Super Clean. Next up is vacuuming. We do use a lot of compressed air usually, but in this case I had to vacuum up as much of the dirt and debris as possible before getting it all over the car and spreading it. We do shampoo the carpets and seats next. Before that process, we have to make sure the carpets are fully cleaned and all vacuumed up before they get wet with the carpet solution. Here's the process of cleaning the upholstery. I am soaking the seat with P&S carpet cleaner, and I will let that sit. Then come with a drill brush. It's a flat drill attachment brush, and that will agitate the seats. Once we agitate all the seats, we will be using the mighty 87D as our extractor to rinse out the seats and get as much of the dirt and stains out as possible. And finally, it's time to clean the doors and all the plastics. My favorite part of the detail, and we are using Super Clean diluted 10:1 and a soft bristle brush from Amazon. They come in a pack of 3 and they're very affordable. I highly recommend them. I can leave a link down below if you guys want to check them out. Like I said, this detail was a couple months ago, and we do use a scrub pad now compared to the brush. The brush is only used to get the small areas like the door handles and the hard to reach areas. Here I'm using microfiber towel and compressed air to clean all the cleaner off the door. And then the air compressor is used to get into the hard to reach areas. Here are the final results after doing the undercarriage wash and wax, and interior. All the seats are fully dry, And are the plastics got conditioned? That's going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll already have another video ready to come out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, and I'll see you soon.